Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, my name is Isaac. This is the Japanese Parrot channel. You can watch my first video. I had some explanation why I'm learning Japanese these days. So in this video, I just want to give some update about my journey, what I created, and how it is going. First, going to the details, what I created to study Japanese for myself, and hopefully it can help to you maybe on the future. And first, I want to talk about what I saw on the internet, social media, and there is a lot of successful people. They on the YouTube, they just learn very well this Japanese language, and even they learn several languages. Some of them can speak a lot of language at the same time properly. And also I saw some people, when they increase the language level, how many language they learn, they lose the skills of the speaking their native language. And this makes me a little bit scary because normally, because of my nasal problems, I'm not good at the speaking languages normally. And but I think three language for every human is achievable. What I saw from my researches, so I think everyone can achieve three language, speaking properly, writing properly. It was a good experience seeing a lot of people. They already did this on the internet, and there was a lot of TED talks, and some of them just was show off, and they don't give you anything, and probably there was a financial motivation behind of it. And some of them just very scientific, some scientist people, they just come and speak about the learning another language, second language, third language, and they give you proper information about how you can learn it. And I found two videos, and one of the uh, guy, he was the creator of this comprehensive input method, and thanks to the one of our subscribers, thank you, mate, and he told me this way, and I searched for it, and it was very very nice actually. It is a well-known studied way to increase your level, like a muscle training. Every time you apply a little bit more, and it's just getting stronger by stronger, but you don't notice it, and it's getting just better and better every time when you increase your input level. And so this is a good idea for me. I'm gonna follow this, and so I created a framework for me. I posted it on YouTube, and I'm a mechanical engineer, as you know, and so I'm tend to think most of things in a mechanical way. And so in my personal life, I solved most of problems on this way. So this is a new problem for me, learning a new language. So I had same approach. I found the friction points and what I can improve, what I can eliminate, and how I can do better for me and easier, frictionless. Uh, you can find this paper also in my uh, YouTube post page. After watching a lot of videos, I understand there is some group, they claim you need to go right away with the ABC alphabet, and also you need to go deeply into the grammar, and also at the same time you need to build your word count nearly to 3,000 so you can properly speak and learn the grammar at the same time. So I found out it's very high friction for me. Like I cannot, because from my English learning experience, I found out grammar is the one of the thing I was struggling. And actually, when I stopped studying grammar and when I started to focus to how people speaking, actually I found out I'm learning English better that time. So I decided I'm gonna go by increasing my vocabulary. So I can study grammar when it's the correct time, when I feel confidence. At least when I understand what Japanese people speaking, I don't need to exactly understand the tenses and grammar structure. I don't need this. I can understand I ate bread. I want water. if I know this kind of small things and just I know the words, I can understand probably what they are saying. And I don't know how correct is this method, and I'm gonna try on myself. But there is a lot of people they use this method, especially linguists. They can learn a lot of language in a fast way, proper way, and after they are completing their grammar mistakes, and they are just after they study grammar and they go into deeply to the ABC alphabet. And this strategy aligns very good with my strategy because I always scared from the Japanese language. There is three or four ABC and alphabet, and sometimes they are mixing the words together and making a new word, and sometimes they are writing Western words in another alphabet, and hiragana, katakana, kanji, like those kind of things. I think is makes it a little bit harder to learn because suddenly, if you focus to the grammar, you need to know the ABC and alphabet. And if you not need to know ABC and alphabet in Japanese, you need to learn most of them, like this, maybe three of them at least. So your friction gonna be triple. You will lose a lot of energy, maybe motivation to learn this language. So I decided to go first building to the words and memory and learning simple sentences and being able to understand what people speaking on the TV shows and in my home. So this is the first way I'm gonna go. Also, in this 2 week after my last video I uploaded, I now decided to learn and listen and increase my vocabulary. I just take a paper to my hand and sit to the front of the Netflix TV and open my favorite show is Terrace House. Before I watched all Terrace House and episodes, I found out this time something I felt different because what I did, I turned off the subtitles so I cannot see any words there. So what I found out, actually when I was watching the people when they speaking in Terrace House, I was just always focusing to the English subtitles. So I was actually losing the how they are speaking, how they are mimicking. It's very different. These persons they are very different than what I saw before. Some people actually saying, "I'll go and watch with the subtitle is better." Actually, I found out maybe this is not a correct way. Even you don't understand, doesn't matter. You just sit there and watch these people, their mouth, how they are using their mouth, how they are using their facial expressions. Then believe me, you're gonna catch a lot of words. Like I catch almost just 100 words in one episode just by hearing them, writing them in Romaji. A lot of words I learned from that. Of course, they are not settled on my brain, and it was a very nice experience. I strongly advise you to, if you can, just sit the front of any show, favorite of your show, front of it, watch the people, how they are speaking, how they are interacting each other. Also now I'm gonna share with you my Excel doc, Google Drive. On the future, I'm gonna share with the people, and I don't know how I can do right now, but I think there is a way to properly do this. So I'm gonna study and set up it in a couple of weeks. Just subscribe the channel and turn on the notifications. So when I do something, you're gonna get the notification and you can just go and see my words, how I learned that. Now you're gonna see actually I did something very nice and easy for me. If it is works for you, you can just follow the same system. This is my Excel sheet, and it is a word builder. And as you can see, it is a table. And I researched the Japanese language learning levels. It starts from N5 and it ends up in N1. And when you arrive to the level N1, you must know minimum 10,000 words. So I wish this my small database will have enough column and rows to get that much word, but I think this is possible, like 10,000 words. Uh, in here, you can see there is Romaji characters words because this is kind of when I discover any word, I'm just going and putting here Gohan, for example. Onaka suita, oyasumi nasai, demo, ohayo, jibin no, chotto matte. Just I just check them here. and even here, new words. And I don't worry about here too much. When I put new words here, I just come and put a class tag here. Vehicles, colors, verbs, like general. For now, I'm selecting general for everything. And if I'm not ready to digest this, I'm just clicking wait. So of course, every new word, when I start, it starts with a wait tag. So I can, on the feature, just change here and filter the wait one, and I can start to study that. And difficulty is I put a 3 level: hard, reasonable, and easy. I found out some words are hard, some of them are reasonably easy, some of them are just easy. So it's not very complicated. It is just 3 level, so it's easy to determine it and select anything. And in this status, you can see when I pick up new words, when I start to study it, I'm just changing it to the in progress. So it's mean in progress mean I'm gonna come here, start.
おはよう、リサさん。
Automatically, I'm seeing the word here, Ohio Isaac-san. And also you can see here Romaji character. You can see spelling in Romaji. Also Kana version of it here. And also there is a sample word here. This is the Kana version of this sample sentence. So thank you very much, my friends, until watching here. I try to make it shorter, but I'm very excited. This because I want to show you what I did, and this will be another motivation for me to continue and learn more. Let's close the video with studying this 24 words. On the feature, like I said, probably I'm going to be able to share this list with you. But just give me please another maybe 1 week so I can make it better, connect to the dashboard so you can see, and you can grab the words you can study somehow you want. And I don't know, can you use the display buttons in
おはよ
your shared version? And I'm gonna study like this programming things a little bit, gets more time. Like a building, if you create your basement stronger, it's gonna be more safer on the feature, and it's gonna be strong. So let's go. Ohio, good morning.
う、おはよう、リサさん。
Yeah, Ohio Isaac-san. This san, if you don't know, is used for the male characters. When I live in Japan, I saw a lot of them. I didn't live there for a long time. I just maybe 1 month maximum. I stayed there with my partner's family. Yeah, I saw that, for example, on a jan, on the end, this jan is used for the females. For example, Isaac's son, it is not jan, it's son. Son is used for the male characters. Ohio Isaac-san. It's mean good morning, Isaac. I asked my partner, she said this is not a natural feeling in the people generally doesn't say Ohio Isaac-san each other, something like this in Japan. But for now, I don't seek those kind of, I'm just focusing to the memorizing it in my reference language, which is English or Turkish or another. What is your reference language? Demo. But
でも、今日は行きません。
demo, 今日は行きません。こんにちは。こんにちは、元気ですか？
こんにちは、元気ですか？
こんにちは、元気ですか？ Not like straight words. こんにちは、元気ですか？ It's not like that. It is こんにちは、元気ですか？自分の。I like this word. Like it's kind of cute word for me. 自分の。Easy to remember, and 自分の。
自分の。
自分の部屋を掃除します。
自分の部屋を掃除します。
I pronounce it very close. As you can see, my friend, because they are Romaji characters, I can read them easy. Because I can read in here, it's easy for me to just try to read it, practice it. And if I'm not very sure, I can just click here and
自分の部屋を掃除します。
and study again. Of course, for now, I don't think about this status and difficulty levels, class levels, because I just want to show you some words. So maybe it's better for me to just speak and give you more words. And let's go. ちょっと待って。
ちょっと待って、今行くよ。
ちょっと待って、今行くよ。ちょっと待って、今行くよ。
ちょっと待って、今行くよ。
何ですか？なんでですか？それは何ですか？
それは何ですか？
どこですか？トイレはどこですか？
トイレはどこですか？
いつですか？出発はいつですか？
出発はいつですか？
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 誰ですか？
あの人は誰ですか？
あの人は誰ですか？いる。猫がいます。の、猫がいる。translation。猫がいる。
猫がいる。
猫がいる。お願い。This お願い also you can hear as お願いします。When I was traveling in Japan, when you pay for something and when they deliver your food or coffee, they are very polite. There is no need to talk about this. And also on the end, they are just showing you your product and they are saying, お願いします. And occasionally, you can say just お願い。ちょっと待って、お願い。
ちょっと待って、お願い。
水、water。
水を飲みたいです。
水を飲みたいです。水を飲みたいです。
水を飲みたいです。
水を飲みたいです。Yeah, as you can see, for now, I don't know the meaning of these sentences, and I don't need to know that because my focus is mizu. I just wanna learn the pronunciation of it, and I wanna memorize it, and I wanna brainwash my memory with some words I'm hearing it in the sentences. Because if I deep dive to learn every meaning of this one, it's gonna be another load to do my memory management, and it will be another friction. So I let it go. I don't care. I don't know the real. I can guess here, and by time, if you like any words here, you can just, for example, what is the or hito? So what you can do, you can just copy the hito here, and you can just put here, and you can start to study hito too. So kind of this system always feeding each other. And don't worry about the if you don't understand the meaning of the sentences. By time we will understand, I'm pretty sure. Nomo. Yeah, there is a drink, nomo nomo. Probably it is about drinking something. I remember it's one of my favorite yogurt drink, I think, nomu nomu. Mizu or nomu.
水を飲む。
I'm drinking water, probably. Yeah. 食べる。寿司を食べる。
寿司を食べる。
寿司を食べる。もうすぐ。soon, almost. もうすぐ始まるよ。もうすぐ始まるよ。
もうすぐ始まるよ。
食べよ。食べよ。Let's eat. When you ご飯 you can say 食べよ。Let's eat. And directly you accept. お腹すいたね。何か食べよう。
お腹すいたね。何か食べよ
Yeah, as you can see, I'm just eliminating the friction from pronouncing this very hard kanji, kana, hiragana, everything come together and make a supernova. I'm just eliminating this one. I'm not worrying about too much. And when I learn on the feature, and they are here in my database, I can come and grab always. Mikan, Mandarin. Mandarin, like fruit Mandarin is not language
う。
Mandarin.
みかんを食べたい。
みかんを食べたい。I eat mandarin. またね。
じゃあ、またね。
じゃあ、またね。Oh, okay. じゃあ is interesting. I put a flag on my memory right now. Neko, cat. Neko ga suki desu. Neko ga suki desu.
猫が好きです。
Ah, nice. Hajimaru.
授業が始まる。
This word is little bit jugyo. Jugyo. Jugyo ga hajimaru.
授業が始まる。
Yeah, this is very good. Now, as you can see on the top here, all my words are already open in different tabs and they are ready to, so just I can come from latest one. So it is the coldest word right now.
おはよう、
Ohayo.
リサさん。
Ohayo Isa-san. Yeah, I remember. And I close it. So
でも、
demo, but
でも、今日は行きません。こんにちは、元気ですか？
konnichiwa, genki desu ka? Good afternoon. How are you?
自分の、
Jibin no, my.
自分の部屋を掃除します。
If someone asking you, it is your one, you can just say, jibin no desu.
自分の部屋を掃除します。ちょっと待って、今行くよ。
Chotto matte, wait. Chotto is little. Matte is wait. And chotto matte, wait a little.
それは何ですか？
Sore wa nan desu ka?
トイレはどこですか？
Doko desu ka? Yeah.
出発はいつですか？
Itsu desu ka?
あの人は誰ですか？
Ano hito wa dare desu ka? Yeah, we were studying here dare desu ka? Now, as you can see, I can just mix these sentences on my brain. And I know in this word, I studied
あの
dare
人
desu
は
ka?
誰ですか？
Dare desu ka? Now I don't remember what was dare. Yeah, I know this sentence created for the studying dare desu ka? So I can just go here and look to the dare desu ka? Yeah, who is it? Who is it? I understand now. Who is it? Yeah, I can just improve.
猫がいる。
Neko was the cat.
ちょっと待って、お願い。
Please wait a little.
水を飲みたいです。
Mizu was water.
水を飲みたいです。水を飲む。
I drink water. Mizu or nomu. Nomu is drinking.
寿司を食べる。
Sushi or taberu. I wanna eat sushi.
もうすぐ始まるよ。
Mosugu hajimari yo. I guess this means we will see soon each other. I'm not very sure, but I just force my memory a little bit and put a flag. Even it is incorrect, doesn't matter. On the feature, I'm gonna correct it.
お腹すいたね。何か食べよう。じゃあ、またね。猫が好きです。授業が始まる。
Hajimaru. Hajimaru is a hard word for me. Hajimaru, start, begin. Okay, I put here hard. Not reasonable hard. On the feature, I'm gonna catch it.
授業が始まる。授業が始まる。
Okay, your first 24 words are finished. Congratulations. You can just go and look to the meaning of these words if you want. And I'm gonna just copy and paste for now to the commentary on the below in the video. Yeah, I think this system it's gonna work for me. And I'm gonna make a more improvement. So let's see next week what we're gonna have. Thank you very much for watching and learning Japanese with me. If you want, hit a button for the like. So this channel will be more encouragement for me. Thank you very much. See you later.